The second skill inside the Salesforce Admin Skills Kit is problem solving. Some examples would be that you've worked closely with stakeholders to troubleshoot and resolve issues in a timely manner, as well proactively monitoring daily Salesforce jobs to identify potential issues, and then finally, an example of delivering a certain number of projects, often collaborating with various teams such as IT, sales, and marketing. If you review some of the other job seeker and admin character traits related to skill number 1 of communication, you'll also see a lot of the similar sentiments as far as building strong relationships, dealing with stakeholders, and then also increasing adoption by a certain percentage, some sort of numeric value. So as we go back to problem solving here, they are saying that there's a lot of collaboration between IT, sales, and marketing, which you see here in communication as well. So one of the things that I've noticed as I've reviewed the 14 skills, and this is the second of the 14-part series, I'll be diving deeper into each of these, is that you begin to see some commonly recurring themes. And I encourage you to do so, to think about your career from a holistic approach and to take advantage of these clues as to how you can be successful in your current job, whatever it may be, so that you do have examples on your resume, or you can work towards gaining those examples by working closely with stakeholders to troubleshoot and resolve issues, for example, in a timely manner, and being proactive with monitoring daily jobs, Salesforce or otherwise, to identify and rectify potential issues. Now, on the employer side of things, there are certain ways that you can highlight problem solving as a key skill for whatever job you're trying to fill. The skills kit here gives you 3 examples of how to represent those skills on your job description for Salesforce professionals that you're looking for. First of which would be to troubleshoot problems and implement suitable solutions in a timely manner. Second of which is to collaborate with stakeholders to design technical solutions to meet business needs. And then finally, implement Salesforce solutions to solve business challenges, improve processes, and increase adoption. Now finally, as with all the skills in the skills kit, Salesforce provides various resources and links. Some of these would be blog posts, some are trailhead modules to help you to strengthen that particular skill. So some of these resources that Salesforce provides for problem solving would be to enhance your problem solving skills as a Salesforce administrator. That is a blog post written earlier this year, as well as best practices for troubleshooting. It's about a 40-minute completion time. It's got 4 different sections here, about 10 minutes each. And then as well, Salesforce skills and experience building. And then how Salesforce admins solved real-world problems in 2020. This is an article from early 2021, blog post, and several different links to other resources as well, having to do with how I solved this. This is a series of real-world examples of how admins out there in the field have solved various problems. So you might find that informative. And then finally, the How I Solved This video series. This is a YouTube playlist that you'll find by the Salesforce Admins group, and there's several different episodes there that bring those stories to life through interviews. So that is the second skill in the Admins Skills Kit, problem solving. Stay tuned for more as we dive next into skill number 3, which is attention to detail.